Okay, this is a Silverado 2018. We end up installing the Clipper alarm. It comes with 2 remote control, lifetime warranty to arm the system. You may hit lock, locks all the doors. When you hit unlock, it chirps twice. Our intentions were to add a shock sensor to the factory alarm, but when we went to do tests on it, by lowering the driver's window, hitting the lock on the factory remote, giving it like a minute, reach in and open the door, we noticed that he didn't have anything that fires off. So he didn't have an alarm, a factory alarm, so we were forced to install one, which is okay. It's not a big deal. In his case, he's still carrying 1 remote control. Okay. If somebody opens the door, we'll fire off the alarm. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off by hitting unlock on the remote control. Panic button, if you hold the star down, you can fire the remote. So his arm, this arm, he gets 4 chirps now because that means the alarm was fired off. Normally when you turn off the alarm, you should get 2 chirps, but if you ever get 4, that means the alarm went off. It's got the high gain antenna on the top. It's kind of hard to see because of the tinted windows, and it's got the blue LED, high intensity. Comes with 2 remote controls. It's got the shock sensor, so if anybody tries to break a window or bust out the keyhole, it'll give you a warning. If they hit the window any harder, it will fire off the alarm. This alarm was installed here in Fort Lauderdale. The numbers are 305-298-4814 on a 2018 Chevy Silverado.